Well, Dr. Phi Phi was someone who worked as a doctor during the war, who lived in an area and worked in an area that was heavily sprayed. As a result, she was affected. She ate contaminated food. She was exposed to these chemicals in other ways, and she had a series of miscarriages.
Ra đó thì chuyện này lúc đầu là chúng tôi không hiểu và buồn nhiều hơn. Khi biết được nguyên nhân thì buồn nhiều hơn. Dù sao tôi cũng còn may mắn hơn các nạn nhân khác. Tôi có gia đình, có nghề nghiệp và trước chiến tranh tôi cũng đã có một đứa con. Còn nhiều người khác không thể có được sau chiến tranh. Cho nên do đó chúng tôi suy nghĩ về nguyên nhân rồi tìm cách làm thế nào để giúp cho những đồng bào của mình cùng bị những cái tai nạn như mình.
I'll see you later. Do whatever she does.
At issue today is whether the court will allow our claims to go forward. The defendants have filed various motions to try to prevent us from having our day in court, asserting various very extreme positions with respect to the power of the government to use poisons in the course of war, which we believe has long been established as illegal. And that's what this case is about. Are we going to allow the government to do whatever they want to do on an assertion of executive privilege, or are there limits that even the U.S. government and the president and the executive and these chemical companies must abide by?
Conflict of interest. These are actually your clients that you represented in other cases. You can't just count them out this one. We were not a deal for less people. But, in other words, they negotiated an amount that was a little careless, or maybe people didn't look at certain things, and they were able to come to better conclusions.
But I mean, if this happens in this case, just think with science. I mean, just think what else they can do to help people in the future.
In the DNA cases, right? People are being...
Various groups.
There are a number of different defenses, so there are a lot of different reasons why this case can't go forward. The government contractor defense is one. The fact that there is no violation of international law, certainly as it was understood at the time of the Vietnam War, is another. The fact that the court should not be second-guessing the president's decisions, which were made after studying the human health consequences and as a military judgment, and very likely saved a lot more lives than it injured.